everyone, I'm Venus. Welcome to my video. Today, I'm going to give you some tips to mastering those tricky Chinese Mandarin Pinyin. Let's start. The way is very simple. I will quote those English words which is very similar to the Pinyin. So you just follow me. R is just like R. Yes, you are. O is just like O. Oh, oh. Is like yes, Then E, U, like wood. In Singapore, we have a place called Woodlands. E. Run your lips to pronounce E. So you will have E. Now we go to Bo. Bo is like book. Bo. Bo. And then Po like put. Put it back. Mo is like moon. The moonlight. Beautiful, isn't it? Far, far, far away, far. De, like do something. Te, like take, teach. So remember, the voice is out from your mouth. Take, took, teach. Ne is like need. I need something. I need you. Le, like, look, L. Now we goes to G, K, H. G, like go, good. K, like king, like can. Her, easy. Hi, hi. That's her. Actually, I feel that her, H-E-R, may be better. G is like Jack. Chi is like check. The pronunciation is very similar to English. C-H, check. C is like English word, see, or like say, see something. Now we go to the most difficult part of the pronunciation. Please roll your tongue. Roll, go back. And then pronounce, follow me. Zhi. When we say we go to the zoo, and it's zhi, zoo. Chi is a problem because in English, there is no such pronunciation, chi. So you have to remember it. Chi. Shi is again roll the tongue and very similar to show off. Ri, like run. After that, we have zi, ci, si. Zi, ci, si is very similar to zhi, shi, shi, but don't roll your tongue. Just open your mouth and then put your toes crossed. Zi, like zhi, but your tongue not roll, your toes crossed. The pronunciation, the voice, the sound will be different. So it's just like zi, and then ci, and then si. The final two finals. E is like say yi. Woo. Woo. Now we go to the compound finals. I, myself, I. A, like hey, We, yes, we are together. Ow, similar to English, ow. O, similar to OH, oh. Give a longer sound similar to but it's longer, like ear. You, IU. The pronunciation is like you. Yes, you. IE pronounce yeah. Yeah, yes. Yeah. The other one is run your lips. Yeah. And like auntie, aunt. And like hens, Henry. In, exactly same as in, inside. Un, similar to when, but it's more to u, so pronounced un. Yin, again like in, but run lips, so it will be yin. Ang, like hungry, ang. And, like length. Yin, like doing, taking. On, Hong Kong, Hong Kong, on. Is it much easier now? Keep practice and you will find you improve very fast. Okay, this is a very short video to help you pronounce correctly. Thank you for your watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my video so you won't miss my upcoming videos. I believe that the upcoming videos will be more fun because I'm going to teach you something beautiful Chinese poem from Tang Dynasty, Song Dynasty, and even to the Ming Dynasty. They are really beautiful